friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn numbers in French. These are known as les nombres. Les nombres. From 0 to 20. So, 1 is known as un. 2 is known as deux. 3 is known as trois. 4 is known as quatre. 5 is known as cinq. 6 is known as six. 7 is known as sept. So, in 7, I have written P. The pronunciation is set. P is not pronounced. So, next, 8 is known as huit. 9 is known as neuf. 10 is known as dix. Now, 11 is known as onze. 12 is known as douze. 13 is known as treize. 14 is known as quatorze. 15 is known as quinze. 16 is known as seize. 17 is known as dix-huit. Now from 17 onwards 19 we will do these and these set, and 18 is dix-huit, and 19 is known as dix-neuf, and 20 is known as vingt. 0 is known as zero. So, friends, did you like my video? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.